Tired of seeing your pet scratching like they're doing a gym workout? Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a homemade flea spray that's super easy, affordable, and, best of all, natural. Stick with me until the end, because I'll share a bonus tip that will save your carpet and sofa. Why make a homemade spray? Did you know that many industrial products contain chemicals that can irritate your pet's skin? That's right. Nobody wants to turn Fido or Mimi into lab test subjects. Plus, these natural solutions are not only safe, but can also leave your home smelling amazing. And guess what? You probably already have the ingredients in your kitchen. Here's the recipe and how it works. 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, about 240 milliliters. 1 cup of distilled water, about 240 milliliters. 10 to 15 drops of lavender or citronella essential oil. 1 empty spray bottle with a capacity of at least 500 milliliters. Preparation. Mix the apple cider vinegar and distilled water in a container. Add the essential oil drops and stir well to combine. Transfer the mixture to the spray bottle. Bonus tip: always shake the spray bottle well before use to ensure the oil is properly mixed into the solution. Enjoying the recipe? Then don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This way, you'll never miss these tips that save both your pet and your wallet. But hold on, because in just a moment, I'll share the secret to keeping fleas out of your entire house. Don't go anywhere. How to use: spray it on your pet's fur, avoiding their eyes and snout, and give a gentle massage. Fleas will run away like someone just yelled, "Bomb!" Oh, and remember the bonus tip? You can also use the spray in the corners of your home, on carpets, sofas, and even on your pet's bed that might look like a battlefield. Result: fleas exterminated and a pleasantly scented home. See how easy it is to take care of your pet and your home without spending a fortune? Now tell me in the comments, what's the biggest mischief your pet has ever done? Who knows, I might make a video featuring the funniest stories. And in the next video, I'll teach you how to make a healthy and irresistible treat for your 4-legged friend. So, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out. See you next time!